New treatments. Dog cough. Are you concerned about your dog's cough and wondering what new treatments are available? Coughing in dogs is often linked to respiratory infections like kennel cough. This is a common issue many pet owners face. Let's talk about the latest developments in treating this condition. First, vaccination has seen some exciting advancements. A new intranasal vaccine for Bordetella bronchoseptica, a key player in kennel cough, is now available. This vaccine is administered through a single nostril using a smaller 0.5 milliliter dose. It is approved for dogs as young as 3 weeks old. This makes it easier to vaccinate puppies and dogs that are frequently around other dogs, such as those in kennels or daycare. While vaccination is a great preventive measure, it does not provide complete immunity. When it comes to treating a cough, the approach depends on what is causing it. Supportive care is essential to help ease symptoms and prevent complications. Rest and isolation are recommended to help your dog recover and avoid spreading any infections. Keeping your dog hydrated and providing nutrient-rich foods can also make a big difference. In some cases, cough suppressants and anti-inflammatory medications can help reduce coughing and airway irritation. If a secondary bacterial infection is suspected, your veterinarian may prescribe antibiotics. For severe cases, especially in puppies or older dogs, more intensive treatments may be necessary. This could include oxygen therapy, nebulization, bronchodilators, and intravenous fluids. There are also emerging respiratory diseases that can cause coughing in dogs. These illnesses may have symptoms similar to kennel cough but can be caused by unknown factors. If your dog shows signs of respiratory distress, early veterinary evaluation is crucial. Treatments for these new respiratory issues often focus on supportive care and may include antiviral medications if a viral cause is suspected. To keep your dog healthy, it is important to stay on top of vaccinations, especially if they are in high-risk environments. If your dog starts coughing or shows any respiratory symptoms, seek veterinary care right away. Monitoring for worsening symptoms, such as difficulty breathing or lethargy, is also important. Always follow your veterinarian's instructions regarding medication to ensure your dog fully recovers. New treatments for dog cough are centered around better vaccination options, symptom relief, and supportive care tailored to the individual dog's needs. Early veterinary consultation is key to managing respiratory infections effectively.